What's up, guys? It's DNA Sounds with another tutorial video on Gospel by the DaBaby. Six chords that you need to know. 6. There's a C, then an F, then to an A, then there's a walk up from B flat to an E flat. So let's break down the first one. The bass is a C, the chord is a E, G, B flat, and a C. Got that again? So C, E, G, A flat or A sharp, C. Second chord is F. F is the bass, E flat, G, G sharp, and C. Again, it's a F, B flat, G, G sharp, C. Third chord, A, D sharp, F sharp, A, and C. Again, A, D sharp, F sharp, A, C. And then you do a walk up. So it'll be a B flat, C, E flat. And that walk up is really simple. It's the chord is a C sharp, F, B flat, C sharp, F, B flat. Second chord is D sharp, G sharp, C. Again, C with a D sharp, G sharp, and a C. Then you could do an octave, E flat. So let me play one more time. There you have it. Tune in. I want y'all to like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video. If you want more, put other videos and songs that you want to hear me do a tutorial or get my swag on.
Peace. Yes, sir. DNA Sound.